So mommy, we got a double compartment storage bag from Luncia. I like the color. So it has 2 compartments. So there's like one on top. Then I think there's one on the bottom. Let's see. There's one on the bottom in here. This is good.
Yeah,
I like the quality. Look at mommy. Feel the material. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
And then the thickness as well. It's it looks like it's heavy duty. This will be perfect for your catering. Yeah, the chips. And then this is a Pyrex that's 9 by 13 inches. So that's good. And I think there's still like some space in here. Close it down. You can even put another Pyrex on top.
Oh, there's more.
And you can add like more.
Yeah.
More stuff in here. I think this Pyrex is 17 or 7 by 11 inches. I think this is also good for hot and cold stuff too. This is good. I think you can use this, huh?
How about this one?
Oh yeah, we can even put something in there. Oh yeah, this is also insulated. That's good. You can add more. That's great. Yay!
Nice.
So, thank you, Luncia. It's perfect. High five.